Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog, and for our today's video I'll be doing a quick unboxing and haul of my PR package from YesStyle. So I get an invitation to join the YesStyle Fashion Icon Fall Winter 2021 YouTube Fashion Haul, and I get selected. So they asked me to select some item, and today I'm gonna show you what are those products that I chose. So let's open now this big box. Okay, so I already removed all those items from the box because the box is quite big. So first item that I got is a boots. Okay, so this is Frisia Fox Suede High Heel Ankle Boots, anti-slip and long-lasting outsole. So let's open. So it is well protected, and this is how it looks like. So here it is. Let me see the sole. Okay, another one. So I'm size 38. So here I get a new pair. Okay, so next one is, okay, so first I'm gonna open this small plastic. So I got a bling bling. So this is an extra because I want to have a pair with my bracelet. Okay, so I think I can use this now. So okay, see here, perfect. Okay, so I get a sponsored product. This is the Abib Toned Up Stick Silky Bar. Okay, do you want me to open this and show you? Okay, I'm just gonna open and show you how it is. Actually, it's my first time to use a silky bar sand stick. Okay, so here it is. So this is how it looks like. It doesn't have a scent. Okay, so you have to twirl it here, and yeah. Okay, by the way guys, I will be doing another vlog for a try on haul for all of these products, so you can get a closer look for each item. So stay tuned for that. So now the next product that I got is this Spontino flared sleeve flower print midi A dress, and the color is violet. Okay. So here, like this, and yeah, the sleeve is like this. Okay. So it's a long dress for me. Okay, so next item is this Lupuna double bisted midi trench coat, and the color is pink. This is how it looks like. So okay, so another one that I got is this Sycamore straight off shoulder knit top, and this is color block. So this is how it looks like. Something like that. Okay, so another one that I got is a I'll Shine plain tie waist sleeveless midi A line dress, and the color is pink. Okay, so I actually chose this one so I can pair it with my trench coat. So I also got this is from Renara open front long cardigan, and this is color dark caramel. Yeah. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So it has a pocket here. The last item that I got is from the brand Scentwood. This is a set of hoodie and sweatpants, and color pink again. Okay, so Okay, so this is the pants. So it is garterized, and this is the hoodie. Yeah. Okay. So guys, those are the products that I chose, and like what I've said earlier, I will be doing another vlog for a try-on haul for all of this product, and all of the details of this product will be on my description box. In case you want to purchase them also, you can check my description box for their details, and you can use my code YesStyle12 when you purchase on YesStyle, so you can get a further more discount on your purchase. So that's it for today's guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thank you for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.